Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all are doing great. So today we are going to discuss a topic called replacement key. Okay, first we'll get to know what exactly is this, the definition, and later we'll just go ahead and create the process on this. Okay, so replacement key is an alternate key that the system can display on forms instead of meaningless numeric primary key value. So each table can have a maximum of one replacement key. The replacement key is chosen by setting the replacement key property on the table. So let's see how this going to work. Okay, so first I have I have already have a table, two tables, that is table A and table B, and I have one form as well. Okay, so what I do is first and foremost thing that what we have to do is I have already fields. Okay, I have already have fields. Now I'm just going ahead and creating an index first. Okay, create index. So rename it please according to your requirement and give a meaningful name to it. Okay, so later just add id to the index. Okay, and later what you have to do is you have to make alternate key to yes. Okay, so this is important. You have to make alternate key to yes, and what I have to do is go to the table properties. You'll be able to find replacement key here. Okay, just select replacement key. Whatever the index that we have gave, you have to select that particular index in a replacement key, that is in a table property. Okay, after giving this index, what you have to do now is you have to create a relation, and that is a foreign key relation. Okay, so now right click new foreign key relation. After giving this foreign key relation, you will be able to find here related table. So what is a related table? Already we are doing some modifications in table A, right? So now you have to give related table as a table B. Okay, table B. Okay, so select table B from a search, and you have to give index here. So what is the index here? Rec id, so it will generate automatically. So you have to give this index. Whenever you are giving this index as a rec id here, whenever you are selecting here, you'll be able to see table B in field section. Check here, right? So now what you have to do is you have to give, so already it has been selected, table B and rec id will be selected automatically. Okay, so now what you have to do is just save it and build it, and you have to add this particular table to the form. Okay, so let's build it. Okay, build is completed. So see here, when table A in field groups, you will be able to see auto identification as whatever the field that we have gave. Okay, so now the next step is, as I said, we have to add it to the form, right? So let's add it to the form. So go to the form. Okay, go to the form, and whatever the table that we have, table A, right? So drag and drop to the data source. Okay, wait. Drag this table A. Oh, it's, I have already dropped it. Okay, and now there are fields here. Okay, ID, name, and table B. Okay, this table B is automatically created in a table A fields. Okay, so you can add ID, name, and table B to the form grid. So whenever you add this table B as this field, you will be able to see reference group in a braces, or in this way that you can like drag and drop, or you can create separate reference group. I have deleted this, and go to the grid, right click on the grid, and you will be able to create new reference group in this way as well. You can drag and drop, and you can have in this way as well. Okay, let me just show you how to add this. Go to the properties. Okay, after going to the properties, you can just mention data source. Okay, After mentioning the data source, you'll be able to see replacement field group. It is already taken, auto identification. So reference field. So obviously you'll be able to get this into the drop down. That's it. So this is a process where that you can create replacement key. First you have created what we have done. We have created an index, and of that we have made this allow duplicates to no, it is already we have this, and alternate key to yes, and we came back to the table properties, and we have gave whatever the index that we have created in the replacement key, right? So after that, what we have done, we have created a relationship between two tables, and that is a foreign key relation, and whatever the index that we have created, we have gave here. So whenever we are just gave this struct id, you'll be able to see one field that is added automatically to the table B. Okay, after that you can just drag and drop whatever the data source that you have to the form. That's it. So this is a way that you can create replacement key. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time. So for more videos, please subscribe.